Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another video. So today I am here with a wig review slash install from RPG Show. RPG Show reached out to me a couple of weeks ago to let me know that they have recently upgraded their lace frontal wigs and they wanted me to try it out and give my opinion on it. I have worked with RPG Show before in the past and pretty much have always, I thought, received quality wigs, but according to them, they have upgraded a lot of things with their wigs, such as the density, the hairline, the pre-plucked hairline, the bleached knots, the invisible lace, the small knots. Just supposed to be like an overall bomb diggity wig, okay? Supposed to be like the wig to get the girls together. Okay, so any wig company that say their wig can get the girls together, you know, I am always here for. So we're gonna put that information to the test and see if it is actually the bombdiggity.com. You already know your girl wants to try out the wigs and give you guys the full truth on what's popping with this wig for sure. So anyways, let's go ahead without further ado, because I feel like, you know, looking at the preview finder, I feel like this wig is giving real life slayage.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's a redskin.
Ooh, okay. Let's talk about it. The claims are their new upgraded lace frontal wigs. You're going to receive a pre-plucked hairline. The knots are going to already be bleached. The knots are pretty much so small that they're invisible and gives a more transparent look. Okay. I have to agree with all of those claims because, as you guys saw in the video, the way this lace was laying before I even tacked it down, before I even sprayed any holding spray, was already serving melted vibes. Okay, oh, look at that, y'all. This wig is so freaking pretty. So like, I didn't do anything to the hairline, no plucking. Only thing I did like to the side, of course, was just do like the baby hairs because I wanted to do a side part. But like as far as plucking, bleaching, doing any of that time consuming stuff, I didn't have to do that with this wig, which I'm really impressed by. Like I said, I always felt like RPG show scent quality wigs. Now I do feel like their density could have been a little better, but I can appreciate the upgrade, definitely. I do like the density on this wig, and the texture of this wig is, it's not yucky, but it's not kinky either. I don't really know what the density is on this wig. I don't know what density it is. Maybe it's like a light yucky. And I say that because it doesn't feel like a silky texture and it doesn't feel like a kinky texture, because I feel like a kinky texture, you would get a lot more fullness in the hair. So I want to say maybe it's like a soft yucky texture. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check out the description on this. Hold on, let me look real quick. Okay, so let me back up a little bit. So this is a Yaki. So this is an 18-inch Yaki texture wig. I don't know, like, honestly, I don't feel like this is a Yaki texture. Maybe it's more so like a light Yaki, because normally with a Yaki texture, you could see like crimps in the hair, and with this wig, you don't see any of those little small crimps that normally come on Yaki texture wigs, so which ain't bad. I'm not complaining. I actually like this texture better than the Yaki texture because I don't really care for the small crimps that is in the hair. Now I like the texture and the density of it, but the looks of it, like with the small crimps, I don't really like that. And I was actually wrong. This is not a regular transparent lace. This is a tinted Swiss transparent lace. So girl, this is like some luxury stuff. Okay, this is like some this is like some high-end lace, girl. Okay. Now as far as the back, they wanted me to show you guys how I secured the back of my wigs, which I really don't. Honestly, I don't feel like there's a need to secure the back unless you're gonna do like an up style. And if you do an up style, I do have like several videos where I show how to install the back of the hair. So now, like, let me just show y'all. Oh girl, it don't look too good back there, but you know, we're just gonna do it. So I just used the elastic bands that's in the back and I just secured it down that way. I think really the most important thing is your front. The back is like, okay, you can use the combs, the elastic band, the straps. You can use all that stuff to tack the back down. I say that because in the front is where a lot more action is taking place. You're sweating, oil is being produced. You may experience the lace lifting. You're putting product on the hair. Front is where you want to make sure your lace is laid and it is secured. Simple and easy to do. Like, I'm gonna show y'all, like, does this wig have a wig? Does come with an elastic band, but it's not adjustable. I do wish it was adjustable. So most wigs come with these two straps in the back. Okay, these two straps in the back of the wig helps make the wig tighter. It gives a very snug fit. So what you would do is you would connect these two straps and hook it inside of these little holes. I cross mine where it looks like that, and see how it made the wig smaller in the inside. It's comb, and you just push it in the back of your hair. If that still doesn't make sense to you, just click the link below so you can see how to do the back. Okay, just click the link. Don't even worry about what I said. Oh, let's talk about the color on this wig. So the color, y'all, I am not mad. They really stepped it up with this wig, honey. So the color is more like a number 2 with some blonde or honey blonde highlights, I should say. It's actually a really cute color. I think they did really good on the color. When I was washing the hair, I didn't have any issues with shedding or tangling. So I honestly think they did really good on the color. I appreciate companies like RPG Show who takes out the time to try to make their wigs an easy install for beginners, or even those who are, you know, a pro at this. It just takes away, it just allows you to have time to do something else. For an example, nobody, even the stylist who is making top dollars, nobody wants to be spending a lot of time on bleaching the lace, bleaching the knots, plucking the lace, tinting the lace, doing all this extra stuff to a wig. So I think I can speak for everybody. We all appreciate a wig that you literally can do your hairline, style it, and go. All the extra stuff with the plucking, the bleaching, the tinting, and all that stuff, eventually you get tired of doing all that. I'm just being honest. So, okay. I can't even flex. I can't even front. So definitely a great upgrade. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll make sure I have that link and everything below. Bye, guys.